Hello, hello. So this, oh my god, I'm sitting. So this guy, where did bro come from? Bro fell from my big coconut tree. Even, anyways, this is my voice. I'm a 10th grader. I'm a 10th grader. I'm a 5th grader. Sorry. You can just speak in the call, bro. That's the point of what happened to you, bro. What happened to bro? I'm make. Oh, yeah. Oh, just use your normal voice. Use your normal voice. Anyways, thank you for the 1.3k views on my very second short. Bro, that short literally became crazy. Yes, sir. Nah. Bro, in just 10 minutes it's already 400 views. I mean, that's kind of crazy. It's crazy for me, but it's kind of huge for me, but it's not for huge for you guys. But I appreciate it that you guys. I got 1k views. I didn't even know that I am gonna get it above. Bro, can you just fix yourself? Um, I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, I haven't made any grow a garden videos. Yeah, I just made that short since. Oh yeah, if you're wondering how he got, if you're wondering where's the candy blossom that bro chased me, he gave it to me. Yeah, this is the one he chased me with. Oh yeah, he asked for more. Don't know why. What happened to you? Anyway, I hope you guys don't judge my voice. Get me up my big coconut tree. Yippee. Bro, I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. I'm gonna be. Oh yeah. Bro, what am I gonna say again? Why are you here? I'm gonna be releasing. I'm gonna be. Oh, wait, hold on. Nah. Alright. Anyway, guys, I made an official. Yo, Kane, wanna talk about that official channel we made? Yeah, and guys, we made a new channel. Yeah, it's the three of us. If you guys know Dion the Goat, it's our friend. It's my friend. He's my friend first, and Kane me and don't you sir, don't you say, don't don't you dare say my real name. Cause in one of your videos you said it 2 times. Okay. Anyways, it's a YouTube channel, the three of us, and it's called SVK Gaming. Yeah. EP. It has 1 sub. Yippee! Yippee! I hope you guys. Yo, why are you not speaking? I think bro's typing. I'm just gonna guess that. I know it's server Kane and stole from. Nah, that Loki. That ain't funny, Loki. I don't know why I did that. And if you guys wanna know how much is this worth, I am not selling this. Yeah, 4 trillion. I am not gonna sell this. if you guys know, I'm Filipino, so I am not American. Yippee! If you guys, give me up. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna be releasing an actual channel of mine. Mine, not people. I'm gonna be releasing Shaggy Plays React to people, to other people. Don't know why. Since I just like watching videos, I might as well do it. And guys, if you know my latest post. No, no, actually, not the drawing one. Mm, the drawing one, the 22 hours ago. I draw my avatar was it good? And I'm gonna use this for something. And I think that's all I'm gonna say. Well, I hope you guys don't judge my voice, and thank you for supporting me and getting me 330 subs. Yippee! Sub, please sub to me. And where is he? And Kane. And Kane. Okay, that's all. That's all. Bye bye. That's all. Bye bye. Or bro's gonna chase you.